Hi, my name is Junaid and I'm from India. I work as a risk and control professional within a financial sector. When I heard about Exceed, I was working on a social platform, and I realized that I was able to do the MBA in flexible hours, which was a major thing that helped me learn and excel in my professional background as well. And with Exceed, it has a lot of different various websites that also help in terms of giving the data gathering and which helps us in working in our professional life as well. Exceed overall gave me a good platform in terms of learning about artificial intelligence and blockchain and helped me exceed in my professional goals as well.